Bird migration is a remarkable phenomenon driven by the search for food and optimal breeding conditions. Birds navigate vast distances using the sun, stars, and Earth's magnetic field. Physiological adaptations enable them to endure long flights. Conservation of migratory routes is crucial for their survival amidst challenges like climate change and habitat loss. Bird migration is influenced by various environmental factors, including temperature changes, food availability, and weather patterns. These elements determine the timing and success of migratory journeys for birds. Bird migration is a complex phenomenon that highlights the resilience of species and the necessity of conservation efforts to protect their habitats. Understanding these journeys is crucial for preserving biodiversity worldwide. The migration of birds is a perilous journey that involves various risks, including high mortality rates. Understanding these risks is crucial for the conservation of these species during their migration. So, what are the learnings for our corporate world? Let us reflect on this with possible action and relevant example. 1. Fostering shared purpose and goal alignment. Regular communication of vision. Action. Leaders should consistently communicate the company's vision, mission, and strategic goals through town halls, team meetings, and internal newsletters. Example. Start team meetings by reiterating how the day's tasks contribute to a larger project goal or company objective. Goal cascading. Action. Ensure that individual and team goals are clearly linked to departmental and organizational objectives. Example. Use frameworks like OKRs, objectives and key results, to align individual efforts with broader company targets. 2. Enhancing efficient collaboration and resource optimization, cross-functional teams. Action. Encourage the formation of cross-functional teams for projects to bring diverse skills and perspectives together. Example. Assign a marketing specialist, a developer, and a customer support representative to a new product launch team. Knowledge-sharing platforms. Action. Implement and promote the use of internal platforms for sharing best practices, lessons learned, and project documentation. Example, utilize a company wiki or a shared drive with clear organization for easy access to information. Process optimization. Workshops. Action, regularly conduct workshops with teams to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies in their workflows and brainstorm solutions. Example, a team might review their customer complaint resolution process to find ways to speed up response times. 3. Cultivating dynamic leadership and shared responsibility, mentorship and coaching programs. Action. Establish programs where experienced employees mentor less experienced ones, fostering leadership development. Example. Pair senior engineers with junior developers to guide them through complex tasks. Empowerment and autonomy. Action. Delegate tasks and decision-making authority to employees at appropriate levels. Trust them to take ownership. Example. Allow a project lead to manage their project budget and timelines without excessive micromanagement. Rotate project leadership. Action. Intentionally rotate leadership roles for different projects or phases of a project. Example. For a long-term initiative, have different team members lead specific sprints or modules. 4. Building resilience and adaptability scenario. Planning. Action. Engage teams in what-if exercises to anticipate potential challenges and develop contingency plans. Example. A sales team might brainstorm responses to a competitor launching a similar product at a lower price. continuous learning culture. Action. Encourage and provide resources for employees to continuously learn new skills and stay updated on industry trends. Example. Offer access to online courses, workshops, and industry conferences. Agile methodologies. Action. Adopt agile frameworks like Scrum or Kanban that inherently support iterative development, feedback loops, and quick adaptation. Example. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable iterations with regular review points. 5. Strengthening mutual support and trust team-building activities. Action. Organize regular team-building events, both formal and informal, to strengthen interpersonal relationships. Example. Team lunches, off-site retreats, or volunteer activities. Recognition and appreciation. Action. Actively recognize and appreciate individual and team contributions, fostering a positive and supportive environment. Example. Publicly acknowledge team successes and individual efforts that go above and beyond. Open feedback channels. Action. Create safe spaces for employees to provide and receive constructive feedback, promoting transparency and trust. Example. Implement regular one-on-one meetings with managers that focus on open dialogue. If you feel this is helpful, then share your comments and do not forget to like and subscribe.